Okay. Okay.
Believe me, that is the wickedest sound that play, and it is the new celebrity. Along with all massive and all cool lineup, them can't get me out. Believe me. Listen.
Okay. Okay.
Sweet. All finishing off here in a little smidge job we're doing in between the cold weather. Crappy tiles, massively heavy, horrible ex-council ones. Customer's happy, so that's the main thing. Obviously just brought down the height. We were just below damp, so we brought it down a few courses. Yeah, just to make it a bit more sturdy. It was on like a, well, you can see over here, on a bed it's on, a 5-spot horrendous on top of concrete, so we've ripped it all up, put down a sub base, and laid on a full bed of sand and cement. Finish off on Monday. Jake's doing all the brickwork. Don't think you can see it now, we've got it hessianed up. But yeah, all the brickwork for the step. We will have a couple of steps going up to both doors. But yeah, a bit different from the last one, but the size of these slabs. Ugh. Horrible, heavy. I've got a race tomorrow as well, so they're absolutely horrendous. Yeah, it is what it is, brings the money in. What are you guys up to? How's your January going? Been held up with work? Is your work crap? Is it good? What are you on? What are you doing? What are you doing? Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, zoomed in for the whole of that, I think. Like, comment, subscribe.